catch a break. And is it all there really is? You're thinking, but you're thinking 'cause you know the best of things in life are free, and that's all we need. You gotta live your life, you gotta treat you right, you gotta give into the crazy appetite, you gotta shake it out, you gotta hold it down, you gotta do all of the things that make you smile, make you smile. Find what it is that really makes you happy. Get excited that your world be a world that you filled with a smile. You're beautiful and evergreen, dancing on high hopes.